Drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up.
Another video today. We're gonna be making some slime. You're gonna need is some glue, shaving cream, some sparkles, optional, and some detergent. Those are the ingredients you need. The glitter is optional, so you don't have to have it. You can if you want. I'm just gonna get the detergent ready, and I'll see you guys in a minute. One second, guys. Let me fix this. Alright, now that we got all our ingredients, I can start to make it. And you're gonna need mixing and a mixing bowl to get that all too. So let's get started. So first thing you want to take is your glue. I got Elmer's glue. I think it's the best in my opinion. Pour how much you want in your bowl. I think I'm probably gonna use about, well, not even that much, because I really don't need that much. But I used a lot. You can use 4 or 5 of these if you want to make it, but I'm only using a little bit. Next thing you want to do is take your shaving cream, squirt some in there. About that much. I'll show you guys how much I put in. About that much of everything. And if you do that much of milk, then you can do that much too, probably. So you might have to add more on the way, but not right now. If you're doing like less on than mine, it's fine. It's like not as much. Then add a little bit of detergent. There you go. I'll show you guys how much I add detergent. That's like the secret ingredient if you didn't know you do. You wouldn't need any kind of detergent. I recommend Gain. It's really good. And yeah. Next, you want to take your mixing thing and start to mix it. And it will start to come together as you mix it. I'll show you guys when mine comes together pretty good. And wow. See, this game is not even that hard. It takes like a second to get together. See? Like, it's like, oh, it's stuck to my fork. Film this. See, guys? See, there we go. And then just keep on mixing it and stuff. Sorry if you can't see this. Okay, then. I'll yak when it's done, and I'll put the sparkles in. So, guys, after you have it, you're going to want to take it in your hands and start to, like, knead it and stuff. It might get messy, but, like, knead it until, like, you think it's done and stuff. So, yeah, just keep on kneading it. It's a good slime recipe, in my opinion. So guys, my slime is now finished. So I'm just gonna I'll be back whenever my hands are clean and we can put the glitter in. Guys, now I'm back. I just cleaned up a little bit. I didn't clean my hands because we're going to put the sparkles in. So that was loud. So you take your, this is my slime. So here is the finished thing. So if you want to have sparkles and you want to add them, so just set your slime somewhere to the side. I just have mine to the side. You clean your fork off before you do this. Get it in your plate. Just take your sprinkles, open up them, or sparkles I meant, and just pour it all over the plate like I'm doing. I'll show you guys whenever I'm done in a second. So, some more left in there. So, here is it finished. I'm about to put my slime in there, and then, so just put your slime in this, and just roll it around and stuff, and it'll start to come together with the sparkles. I can't say it right, oh man. So we're just gonna keep on rubbing it at the plate and stuff. Yeah, so we're just gonna keep on doing this. You have to rub it on with your hands a little bit. So just keep on doing this until like you think like it's good enough. So I'm just gonna keep on doing this and stuff. And this is a 3 recipe slime, and it's really good. So yes. So guys, here's the finished product. I'm just gonna show you guys that it's like fluffy and stuff. I'll show you guys like it like not sure if you guys can hear that, but it's the noise. And it's super fluffy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below what you want me to do next. I might do a slime haul or anything. So, bye. Love you guys.
Drop top, smoking on cooking the hot pot. Cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up.